Hi friends, this video shows how to remove memory card or SD card from this camera. So first take the camera, then rotate the upper part of the camera this way. Just rotate like this, and here we can see reset button and memory card. Memory card slot. This is a memory card slot. You can see the memory card here. So I am going to remove it. We can just push like this. Then we can slowly remove the memory card. See, so it's a 256 Samsung 256 GB memory card. So this way we can easily remove memory card from this camera. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.